The OBDPEAK T30 car DVR Rearview mirror camera is a versatile and smart device designed to enhance your driving experience. Running on the latest Android 12.0 system, it seamlessly integrates wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing users to make calls, listen to audio, send messages, and navigate safely. With support for Mirror Link, it provides compatibility with both AirPlay and Android Wireless Mirror, ensuring smooth screen mirroring from your smartphone. Equipped with a 10.26-inch 2.5D IPS touchscreen, the T30 offers an intuitive interface with high-quality display performance. The device features a multi-chip audio output mode, allowing seamless connection to car audio through Bluetooth, FM transmission, or AUX output, ensuring high-fidelity sound. Additionally, it connects to mobile hotspots or general Wi-Fi networks, enabling access to online navigation, Google Play apps, and streaming services for audio and video playback. The T30 is designed with a detachable multi-angle base, which provides flexible installation options for different viewing angles. Users can even remove the bracket for a cleaner aesthetic. The device supports an external 1080p Full HD camera, which can be used either as a front or reversing camera. This innovative design enhances driving safety by providing clear reversing images and high-quality video recordings. Unlike traditional dash cams, the OBDPEAK T30 combines three powerful systems, Android 12, CarPlay, and Android Auto, into one compact unit. This all-in-one functionality makes it an essential addition for any modern vehicle. The package includes the T30 AI screen, a Type-C cigarette charger, an AUX cable, a GPS module, and an optional external camera with a 6-meter cable. With its smart design, easy installation, and advanced features, the OBDPEAK T30 is a must-have for drivers looking for a comprehensive in-car entertainment and safety solution.